So this is our creek that was going through the yard, but as you can see, it's now going through the culvert like it's supposed to. And this is like maybe half, not even as much as was coming down. So this might just not be big enough for the 100-year flood. But you can see the water was flowing over the top of the boards. So I had to get down in there, get these rocks out, a bunch of twigs, needles, dig this channel. But I think it's looking good now. Still a good bit of water. Hi, Ellie. Hi, Penny.